unboxed the Shein mattress with me. I was having a time getting this thing up out of the box. I was so scared because I thought it was going to explode on me. As you can see, it didn't explode. That happens later. Anyhow, this mattress cost me a little under $200, which is a win because at the mattress store, baby, the mattress is about $2,000, $5,000. Child, I'm scared.
Two cars coming. You got two cars coming two different ways. Bag up, Terry. Put it in reverse, Terry. Put it in reverse. Oh, Lord.